I love you to the moon and back. I love our time together as we start each happy day. I love our bath time silliness, the way we splash and play. I love to lift you way up high, so you feel really tall. We'll climb the highest mountaintops. Hold tight and you won't fall. I love to share the magic of the shining skies above. And think of all different ways that we can show our love. Like when we're touching noses, playing chase, or seeing friends. Our love is always with us, and it never ever ends. So snuggle safely in my arms. Our day is nearly done. I love you to the moon and stars, my precious little one. Thank you for reading with me. For more information about this book and where to buy it, check the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.